Hey everyone, welcome to another video on the channel. Today is June 5th, 2021, and I just wanted to make another quick video about Blackberry. So yesterday I made a video where we talked about how the stock performed over the past week, but I wanted to make this video because, guys, I've been seeing nothing but good news about Blackberry recently and wanted to share it. So first and foremost, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this information is financial advice, but good things in store, I think, for BlackBerry. So first thing to mention is this article that just came out this morning, June 5th, from The Motley Fool. Now, The Motley Fool has published just article after article after article doing nothing but bashing and spreading FUD for all these meme stocks, particularly AMC and GameStop. So this morning, they published this article, 3 meme stocks that could make you rich. So quite a departure from their previous stance, or their stance on the other GameStops, the other so-called meme stocks. And what stock do they highlight? BlackBerry. So it's true, they mention how, unlike AMC or some other stock, which all the analysts are saying is worthless or whatnot, or at least completely overvalued, BlackBerry does have a viable turnaround plan, and their CEO, John Chen, he's done this before. He used to be in charge of this other company, Sybase, which he was able to turn around, and they were ultimately acquired by the German software company SAP. So he's been in this area before, the tech, information technology, security, whatever you want to say, and was able to turn a company around and have it sold and become profitable. And so he seems, poised to be able to do something similar with BlackBerry now, especially given the fact that, BlackBerry has a lot of software now embedded in vehicles, which is only going to increase as there's more self-driving technology improves and whatnot. And they've also been making deals with other companies, particularly Amazon, which is going to just help them and drive the price up. And finally, and perhaps most importantly, the CEO, his compensation is tied to the stock price, so that if BlackBerry's stock exceeds $30 before November 3rd, 2023, he'll get a $90 million bonus. So that's fantastic, because it shows he has his own, skin in the game. And personally, I think it'll hit $30 long before November 3rd, 2023. But the other thing to keep in mind, too, is when you look at BlackBerry compared to some of these other Reddit stocks, and, I'm thinking of AMC and Express, the stock price was on this epic run the past few weeks, and what did they do? They just diluted the shares like crazy. They just did share offering after share offering, diluted the shares. What has BlackBerry done? Hasn't done that, that's for sure. So that's great news, guys. That's going to bode really well. Also, on top of the fact that what's been happening in the news lately, so as everyone will remember, there was that Colonial Pipeline ransomware hack. So, the news is just also about cybersecurity and how we need to get a tighter grip on things. It's just going to make people more interested in a stock, a cybersecurity company like BlackBerry. It's just going to, increase investment in these areas and whatnot. So that's all great news. And also, as we've been saying, so we knew that BlackBerry was basically the number 2 stock to AMC on Reddit, and in turn, and for social media and whatnot purposes. That's been a story that's been developing that we've discussed before over the past 2 weeks. But guys, even better news. Now BlackBerry has overtaken AMC on Wall Street bets. And I mean, that's fantastic. I really can't think of another situation where this has occurred, where You have, on the one hand, the Reddit crowd that absolutely loves the stock. You have mainstream analysts. Yesterday we talked about Raymond James and Zacks that were increasing their outlook on Blackberry, and now today the Motley Fool put out this very positive coverage. And we have current events in terms of increased ransomware hacks that are also going to focus like a laser on cybersecurity, which is just going to help Blackberry. So I just wanted to share that with everyone. I think Blackberry is really strongly poised to do really well at stock price. And I think we're in great shape for this coming week. As we said yesterday, I'm going to be looking to hold that $13.50 support. But if we could hold that, that will be absolutely fantastic. If we can't hold it, I don't think it's the end of the world. I think it will set us back some, but that's what I'm going to be looking for on Monday. I'll let you guys know if I find out any more information, and hope everyone has a great weekend.